Welcome back to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic crucial for anyone looking to improve their health and weight loss journey. We'll discuss fatal mistakes people often make regarding fatty acids, avocados, lemon water, and typical weight loss myths. It's easy to get lost in the sea of information out there, and sometimes, the very foods we think are healthy can lead us astray. First, let's discuss fatty acids. Many believe all fats are bad, but that's a common misconception. In reality, healthy fats, like those found in avocados and certain oils, are essential for our bodies. However, the mistake often lies in the quantity consumed. Overindulging in even healthy fats can hinder weight loss efforts. We'll explore how to strike the right balance. Avocados are often hailed as a superfood, but did you know that portion control is critical? Many enjoy them in abundance, thinking they're doing their bodies a favor. We'll discuss how to enjoy avocados without sabotaging your calorie goals. Next up is lemon water. While it's a refreshing drink many swear by for detoxification, some myths surround its weight loss benefits. We'll clarify what lemon water can and cannot do for your body. Finally, we'll tackle some pervasive weight loss myths that can derail your progress. From fad diets to unrealistic expectations, understanding the truth behind these myths is vital for anyone serious about their health. So, stick around. We promise to provide you with valuable insights that can transform your approach to nutrition and help you effectively achieve your weight loss goals. Let's get started. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. The fatal fatty acid mistake everyone is making. One of the most misunderstood topics in nutrition is fatty acids. Many still believe that all fats are bad for their health, leading to a widespread fear of incorporating fat into their diets. This misconception can have serious consequences, as it overlooks the crucial role that healthy fatty acids play in our overall well-being. First, let's clarify the difference between healthy and unhealthy fatty acids. Healthy fats, often called unsaturated fats, include monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. These fats can help lower harmful cholesterol levels, reduce inflammation, and support heart health. On the other hand, unhealthy fats, such as trans fats and excessive saturated fats, can contribute to various health issues, including heart disease and obesity. Incorporating suitable types of fats into your diet is essential for optimal health. Healthy fatty acids are vital for brain function, hormone production, and nutrient absorption. They also provide a source of energy and can help keep you feeling full longer, which is beneficial for weight management. So, what are some examples of foods rich in healthy fatty acids? Fatty fish like salmon and mackerel are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for their heart-healthy benefits. Nuts and seeds, particularly walnuts and flax seeds, are also packed with healthy fats and can easily be added to your meals or snacks. Avocados, olive oil, and chia seeds are other fantastic options that enhance your diet while providing essential nutrients. By understanding the importance of healthy fatty acids and making informed choices, you can avoid the fatal mistake of fearing all fats. Embrace the suitable types of fats, and you'll be on your way to a healthier, more balanced diet. Remember, not all fats are created equal. 15 fatal mistakes when eating avocado that you need to avoid. Avocados have gained a reputation as a superfood, but many people make critical mistakes when incorporating them into their diets. Let's explore common pitfalls to ensure you get the most out of this nutritious fruit. One of the biggest mistakes is not paying attention to portion sizes. While avocados are packed with healthy fats and nutrients, they are also calorie-dense. A single avocado can contain around 250 to 300 calories. Overeating avocados, thinking they are a guilt-free addition to meals, can lead to excess calorie intake and hinder weight loss efforts. It's essential to enjoy avocados in moderation, typically about a quarter to half of an avocado per serving. Another common mistake is neglecting to pair avocados with other nutrients. While they are rich in healthy fats, avocados alone don't provide all the essential nutrients your body needs. Pairing them with protein sources like eggs or chicken and fiber-rich foods like whole grains or leafy greens can enhance their health benefits. This combination boosts nutrient absorption and helps keep you fuller for longer. Additionally, there's a misconception that avocados are a free food in weight loss diets. Many people assume they can consume them without restrictions because they are healthy. However, this mindset can lead to overconsumption and ultimately derail weight loss goals. Recognizing that even healthy foods can contribute to weight gain if eaten in excess is crucial. By avoiding these fatal mistakes, you can enjoy avocados in a way that maximizes their health benefits while supporting your weight loss journey. Remember, moderation and balance are essential when incorporating avocados into your diet. 13 fatal mistakes when using lemon water that you need to avoid. Lemon water has become a popular health trend, often touted for its detoxifying properties and refreshing taste. However, many people make critical mistakes when incorporating it into their daily routines. Let's explore some common errors to ensure you're reaping the benefits without the drawbacks. One significant mistake is consuming too much lemon water, which can negatively impact dental health. The acidity of lemon juice can erode tooth enamel over time, leading to increased sensitivity and a higher risk of cavities. To mitigate this risk, consider drinking lemon water through a straw to minimize contact with your teeth, and always rinse your mouth with plain water afterward. Another standard error is relying solely on lemon water for hydration. While it can be a refreshing addition to your daily fluid intake, balancing it with other hydration sources is essential. Water should still be your primary beverage, as it's crucial for overall health. Lemon water can be a flavorful enhancement, but it shouldn't replace plain water or other hydrating options like herbal teas or coconut water. Additionally, there's a widespread misconception that lemon water is a miracle weight loss solution. While it can aid digestion and may help curb cravings, it's not a magic bullet for shedding pounds. Weight loss ultimately comes down to a balanced diet and regular exercise. Relying solely on lemon water without addressing overall dietary habits can lead to disappointment and frustration. By avoiding these fatal mistakes, you can enjoy lemon water as a beneficial part of your health routine. Remember to practice moderation, maintain good dental hygiene, and balance your hydration sources. With the right approach, lemon water can be a refreshing and healthful addition to your day. Warning: these weight loss myths are holding you back. Many people fall victim to prevalent myths that can hinder their progress in the quest for weight loss. Today, we're debunking some of these misconceptions to help you adopt a more balanced and practical approach to your health journey. One of the most common myths is that carbs are always wrong. This belief has led many to eliminate carbohydrates from their diets. However, not all carbs are created equal. Whole grains, fruits, and vegetables are rich in essential nutrients and fiber, aiding digestion and keeping you feeling full. The key is to focus on the quality of carbohydrates rather than cutting them out completely. Incorporating healthy carbs into your meals can provide energy and support overall health. Another widespread myth is that skipping meals aids weight loss. Many people think that by eating less, they will lose weight faster. In reality, skipping meals can lead to increased hunger later in the day, often resulting in overeating. Research shows that regular, balanced meals help maintain stable blood sugar levels and prevent cravings. Instead of skipping meals, aim for smaller, nutrient-dense meals throughout the day to keep your metabolism active. Additionally, there's a misconception that all fats are bad for you. Healthy fats, such as those found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil, are essential for your body. They support brain function, hormone production, and nutrient absorption. Embracing healthy fats in moderation can aid in weight loss by keeping you satisfied and reducing the likelihood of unhealthy snacking. By debunking these myths, we encourage you to adopt a balanced approach to weight loss. Focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods, practice portion control, and listen to your body's hunger cues. Sustainable weight loss is about making informed choices rather than following fleeting fads. Embrace a holistic approach, and you'll be on the path to lasting success. We've covered some essential topics that can significantly impact your health and weight loss journey. Let's recap the key takeaways regarding fatty acids, avocados, lemon water, and the weight loss myths often holding us back. First, we learned about the importance of understanding fatty acids. Not all fats are created equal, and incorporating healthy fats into your diet is crucial for overall health. Remember to enjoy them in moderation to avoid excess calorie intake. We also highlighted the significance of pairing avocados with other nutrients to maximize their benefits while cautioning against the misconception that they are a free food in weight loss diets. Next, we discussed lemon water and the common mistakes people make when consuming it. While it can be a refreshing addition to your hydration routine, it's vital to balance it with other sources of hydration and be mindful of dental health. We also debunked the myth that lemon water is a miracle weight loss solution, emphasizing that a holistic approach is necessary for sustainable results. Finally, we tackled prevalent weight loss myths, such as the idea that carbs are always wrong or that skipping meals is an effective strategy. Instead, we encourage you to focus on a balanced diet that includes a variety of foods, allowing you to make informed choices that support your health goals. As you reflect on your dietary habits, consider how to implement these insights into your daily routine. We hope you feel empowered to make positive changes that align with your health objectives. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with friends and family. Your support helps us create more valuable health-related content. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.